Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sew.with.Omowunmi, where we learn, unlearn, and relearn. And in today's lesson, we'll be learning about our basic sketch using inches. Our previous class learned about tape reading using inches. If you've not seen that, you can go back to our previous video to watch it. Now today we'll be learning basic sketch using inches. These are the measurements we're using for today's class. We have our waist, each, across from sketch length, new length, and waist to each length. Now, first thing we're doing is to take out our borderline. We have to rule our borderline, which is 1 inch vertical and horizontal. So let's do that like this. My borderline vertical and horizontal. I did 1 inch up, then another 1 inch by the side, just like this. Now, next thing I'll be doing now is to get my body block, which I'll be doing by looking for my fuller measurement, which is 38. 38 is the fuller part in my body. I will be saying 38 divided by 2. 38 divided by 2 will be giving us what? 38 divided by 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 38 divided by 2 is 19. 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. Now I'm going to rule 21. Let's do that together. So I'm going to rule my 21 just like this. Now to get this block, what I did is to say my hip divided by 2 plus 2, which I did 38 divided by 2 is equal to 19 plus 2. It gave me what? 21. So what I have from here to here is 21. Now there's one thing about our body. Let's say this is our front. What I'm doing, I want to explain to you because this tutorial is beginner friendly. Now this is our front bodies, right? We divide this into two to give us half of the front, half of the back. And now this our particular case where we have our cross bump is because we want to do like a contouring to not make our bum part flat. So I've actually made a skirt in those days whereby the person has a very nice shape, but after sewing the skirt, the back is always still very flat because I did not do contouring at the back. There was no a space for the bum to be able to fit perfectly in the skirt. In this tutorial, I'll be enlightening us about how to get the contouring well and the front shape well. So now let's continue with our video. Now, what I did, this are 21 that we did for our what? Basic block. What we'll be doing again is divide that 21 into 2, which will give me what? 10.5. Then I rule like this. 10.5. So this is my 10.5. I divided my body measurement into 2. Just like this. Now the next thing for me to do is what? Impute our measurement in our block. So we have this is called our waist. Then we move to I have what we call our waist to hip length. Now waist to hip length is what? 9. So I'll be drawing out the 9. Just like this. 9 just like this. 9 just like this. Then I'll rule a straight line. And next now we're going to do what? This is now we name this our lower hip. This is our lower hip. Lower hip. This is my back. This is front. Now this is my lower hip. Oh, I did not put ER. Lower hip. Now next thing for me to do is to get my upper hip. To get our upper hip, we'll take 2 inches upper from the lower hip. 2 inches upper from the lower hip to get what? My upper hip. On any body measurement size, use any body measurement, even it's 59. We use 2 inches. Just like this. Now we name this one work upper hip. Are we together? Now next thing for me to do is to do what? Impute my waist to new length, which is 18, right? 18. Now I'm rolling it out. This is my new length. And the next one I'll be doing is to take what? My waist to what? Skirt length, which is what? 26. I'll roll it out the same way I did everything. This is 26. This is my skirt length. So let me name it like I did for the others, so you'll be able to know. This is my new length. New length. Then I have what? Skirt length. Skirt length. Now the next thing I'll be doing is now start inputting my waist measurement, hip measurement, and the like. Now let's start with our front. First thing I'll be doing now, I will start with my waist. My waist, the waist to be divided, the first step, step 2.
So the next thing for us to do now is do our dark intake. In case you're not making an actual, we are making a dress that is not stretchy and need dark. Now, to do our dark intake, we have to introduce our bust measurement. My bust measurement is 34. So step 5. My bust divided by 8 minus 1. My bust is 34 divided by 8 minus 1. That will give me what? 3.25. So this is my dark intake. Now, I'm going to take 3.25 here. If you want to know how we got 3.25 on our tape, look. Now tape, go back to my previous video to watch how we read our tape rule using inches. Now that 3.25, I'm going to come down with 5. I want to make sure my 3.25 is on the same track. Then I rule a straight through. That's it. Then I use 0.5 at both sides. Then from here, I take it down. From here, I take it down. Now I do the same thing to the back. From this borderline, not from the waist. From the borderline, I take my 3.25 and 3.25. I'm going to come down by, for the back, I think I need to come down by 6. I don't want the back, I don't want any bulging. And I will have my straight through. Then here, half inch. Then I roll like this and like this. Now, we're going to return back our dart measurement to this side so that we won't be having shortage. We return our dart measurement. But me, instead of returning 1 inch, because half plus half will give us 1. Instead of adding just 1 or 3, that's 0.5. But I want my skirt to still, I want it to snatch. I want it to be firm. So my new measurement line is this. That's my new measurement line. Using this marker to indicate my new measurement line. And that's that for that. I added just one of 0.5 to I add 0.5, 0.5. Now I do the same thing to the back. For us to just see well. Now coming to this place, we take our pattern master like this. We check for 36 on our pattern master. 36. This is it here. 36 is here. And I mark it to where my one. My one is. I've done that. Then to make the back contour, that's it. And I roll a straight loop down. I don't want to roll, I want to make the dress a vein skirt. Now I move to the front and do the same thing too. I add just 0.5 here and do the same thing. Like I said, I want mine to be smashed. If you know you are making it for an adult, you can just use the old one, you can return the old one back to the side. For me, I want it to be fitted and smart on me. That half inch we're removing does not mean the skirt should not fit or should be tight, should not enter. Just give it that nice fitting we used to see on social media. Give it that nice fitting. Okay. Now let me move to the bend. What we call a bend. Now from this our new length, we come out by 2. You feel me? And new length come out by 2. Then I'm going to come down to get to the edge of this place. The same 2. That's how to create our brain skirt. Then we are done on today's class on how to make our basic skirt using inches. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. So in our next tutorial, I'll be learning on how to sew this from the scratch. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sew.with.Omowunmi, where we learn, unlearn, and we learn. Thank you very much, guys. Love you.